Hi kids, my name is Ritika. I am from Mapleview Delta 3. So, we are left with only 6 phonic sounds now, and today in this video we will be covering those 6 phonic sounds. So, without wasting any further time, let's start our alphabet. So, starting with alphabet U. Yes, we will be starting with alphabet U. So the story behind this alphabet is a girl, she was very unhappy. Why? Because it was raining outside and she doesn't have any umbrella. Yes, she doesn't have any umbrella. So mother said, why are you so sad? Why you're unhappy? So she said, Mother, I want to go outside and I don't have any umbrella. Mother said, why you are sad then? Why you are unhappy? I will give you umbrella. I have umbrella. So she was so happy that she said, umbrella? Yes, you got it right. So the phonic sound of alphabet U is ah. So U for umbrella, U for unhappy, U for utensils. Yes. So moving on to the next alphabet, that is alphabet V. So the story behind alphabet V is a van which used to carry heavy loads was going on the road. Yes, was going on the road where he found vegetable vendor. Yes, he saw a vegetable vendor. As the driver doesn't had any vegetable at home, he went to buy some vegetables. Beside the vegetable vendor was sitting a vase vendor. Yes, they were so beautiful vase, and he was very fond of flowers. So he thought, why should I do not buy vegetables and vase together? So he bought vase and some vegetables, and he went to his van again and happily screamed, Yes, I bought a vase and vegetable. My wife will be so happy to see all this. Yes, you guessed it right. Now I told you the phonic sound of V. Yes, it's V, V, V. So, V for vase, V for van, and V for vegetables. Yes. So moving on to the next alphabet, that is alphabet W. Yes. A small boy was reciting a poem. Which poem? Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Yes, he was reciting this poem when a fairy came, a beautiful fairy came with her wand. Yes, with her wand, and she told the small boy that whatever you want to eat, I will make you eat. Tell me what you want to eat. The small boy was very fond of watermelons. Yes, he wanted to eat watermelons. So he told, little fairy, I want to eat watermelon. Can you bring it for me? The little fairy said, yes, see, I have this magical wand and I will bring you a watermelon. Now she said, abracadabra, and watermelon arrived. The boy was very happy and he happily started singing, wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Yes. So, the phonic sound of alphabet W is V. So, W for wheel, W for wand, and W for watermelon, W for water also. Yes. So, moving on to the next alphabet, that is alphabet X. On a Christmas Eve, yes, a boy and a girl, they both were brothers and sisters, and they were very happy as it was Christmas Eve. They decided to decorate the Xmas tree. Yes, have you seen Xmas tree? Yes, everyone has seen. And they decided to decorate the Xmas tree. They decorated it very beautifully, and what happened? They went to sleep so that Jesus Christ will come and will bless them, and Santa Claus will come with so many gifts. And the boy wanted xylophone as a gift because he was very interested in music. Yes, you also have music center in your school, right? Yes. So Xylophone, he wanted xylophone. The Santa Claus came and gave him xylophone. Yes, another day he woke up and said, "Mommy, see, I got xylophone." Xylophone. Yes, you guessed it right. So, the phonic sound of alphabet X is so X for Xmas tree, X for xylophone, X for X-ray. Yes. So moving forward to the next alphabet, that is alphabet Y. Yes. So a girl, she was very fond of yellow color. Yes, it was her favorite color, yellow. Yes. Now what happened? She went to buy a yo-yo. Yes, she wanted to play yo-yo, but only of yellow color. She said to the shopkeeper that, "Please give me one yellow color yo-yo so that I can play with that." But what happened? Shopkeeper said, "I don't have any yellow color yo-yo. I have only red color yo-yo. You want to buy that?" So the girl sadly said, "No, I don't want to buy yo-yo of red color." Yes, you guessed it right. So is the phonic sound of alphabet Y. Yes. So Y for yo-yo, Y for yellow, Y for yolk. Yes. Now, so our last alphabet. Yes. So our last alphabet is alphabet Z. Now what happened? A small boy was practicing zigzag lines. Yes, you also practice zigzag lines? Yes, everyone does. Now he was practicing zigzag line when his elder brother came and said, "Can you write 0?" So this younger boy said, "No, brother, I cannot write 0. So why don't you teach me how to write 0?" He said, "No, I will not teach you. You do your zigzag line and I will do my 0. I will write 0. What happened? When the elder brother wrote 0 and went off, younger one came and zoomed with the magnifying glass. Using magnifying glass, he zoomed and saw what is written there. He saw a circle. Yes. Now what happened? Elder brother came again and said, "Now you can write 0. See, I have already written it." So the younger one said, "Yes, I can write 0, and he made a circle. Yes. And the younger brother said, "See, now I can write 0. You can only not write 0, but I can also write 0 now." So happily he cried. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Yes, you guessed it right. So the phonic sound of alphabet Z is zzz, zzz. So Z for zigzag, Z for 0, Z for zoom. Yes. Okay, so we are completed with 26 alphabet and its phonic sound. I hope you are revising it every day. Yes. Now I will be coming up with an extra videos for you. Yes, so that you can learn at home, so that you should not go outside, and don't trouble your parents because they also work hard. Yes, they also work hard. Now what you can do, you can make up some stories like this on the alphabet. Yes, you can make up some stories and can create a video out of that and send it to us. Yes, you can send it to us and we will upload it in our YouTube channel. Okay, so I will see you in the next videos, and till then, bye. Don't trouble your parents, don't go outside, eat healthy, stay healthy and be happy. Bye.